today I'm going to be unboxing that hatch that I got for the VR4. I want to make sure, I should have done it when I first got it, but you know, I didn't want to take it out of the box until I was going to do anything with it. It is an original brand new 99 VR4 hatch, and I got it at the same time I got the new wing, the new bumper, sail panels, all that new stuff, the new roof glass. And yeah, so I probably should have opened it, but I'm going to unbox it now, and for all you guys to see. I'm sure, you know, I'm pretty excited. It was, as far as I know, it was the last one in the States and probably in Japan as well for the 99s. But you know, who knows? Somebody, I'm sure, has another one stuck in their garage or in a shop or something. But as far as I know, this is the last one from Mitsubishi, and you know, it is in a box. And the only reason I got it was because I didn't want to have to worry about mounting the original 99 combat wing, and this should have all the correct holes and support for that wing, so I won't have any issues with it flexing, because the normal hatches are pretty flimsy on the inside, so I didn't want to have any issues with it breaking that original wing. So I'm going to unbox it now. Okay, so I'm pretty excited. I unboxed it. It looks like it is, no, it looks like it has maybe a little, no, I don't know. It looks pretty dent free. You can see right here, it actually has the correct holes for the combat wing. So, and you can see all the extra support in here. And then in here, there's actually holes so you can get in there and remove the clips, and you can actually get a screw in that one. So pretty excited. I plan on deleting this hole. So I'm gonna use a hole saw to cut a piece of sheet metal out. I'll probably just cut out of that bad hatch out back and then just weld it in, because I don't like running the rear windshield wiper. There's no use for it. I think the rear windshield wiper on like the Evos and the GTRs and cars like that, if it's not a like station wagon, really doesn't need a rear windshield wiper. And here is the wing ends. I've already got them all nice and sanded. I just need to hit them with the flexible primer, because the color I'm painting it needs to all be like a dark color, like that black, but it's all going to be the same color. So this you can see the holes, and they just go like one right there, just like factory. Look at that, factory city. So much nicer. And then this is an actual real combat wing, so it has the 3M tape and everything on it. All right, so I've had this 3000 GT for a few weeks now. I really haven't showed it to anybody. I just bought it for the, you know, the hood, the doors, and the fenders. So here she is. So it's a 97. I guess the front bumpers are actually pretty sought after. It has like some crappy wheels on it. The tires are almost bald. It looks like the guy was doing some burn-offs in it, which is probably gonna happen. So that you know, it has the nice hood for you know, mine got all warped when they dustless blasted. Same thing with the fenders, and you know, the interiors and all that great. It was like in a wreck. I guess it was like some high school kid, and he was like, "Oh, somebody hit me in the parking lot," and it kind of looks like he e-braked into a pole, but the e-brake doesn't work. So that's probably, he probably was actually telling the truth. But it's a single cam. Here, let me show you the this work. It's a single cam. It has like this custom intake box, and looks like it has an Econoline Walmart battery. I think the motor mounts are shot, because when I do a burn off in it, it like makes a really loud noise. Has some MSD wires. That's not bad. And then I don't know. I think I'm gonna try to do a burn off in it and see what happens. But the AC is frosty. That's one good thing. And the hood's good. That's really all I care about. So let's see how she. Let's see about the burn offs. So it actually does some peels. The e-brake doesn't work, so I can't like hold it there. And I just like noticed this dent. So I'm probably gonna have to find a passenger door, because it has a few more dents than I want to deal with fixing. Came with a whole nother set of tires though. And the driver's door, it had like, I saw these two dents, but I think I could pop those from the inside. And it has like a little thing right here. I think I could get all those out from the inside. But yeah, I'm pretty excited that I have a hood. And I don't know, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give it a really rough 120 with the DA to see if how many dents are on the hood. Hopefully it's not too bad. I see like a few little, I see like one little hail dent on it. So maybe some stuff over here going on, or maybe that's just dirt. Hopefully there's nothing like too bad on it, and I can get it ready for you know, the whole painting process for my VR4, and then, you know, I can make some money back. So I paid $1,200 for this car. Hopefully I could, like, you know, sell the bumper and the wheels and get some good parts off of it. But I think the hatch on this is pretty decent. It looks like the you know, the glass and the wing is like faded, but everything on that's good. The, you know, that driver's side light's broken. I wish this bumper was good, because I'd use this one instead of mine, but it's messed up right here. It's like ripped, so that's unfortunate. And has like an eBay exhaust probably on it. It has I think it had drilled and slotted rotors. Now it just has normal rotors. I have another set of side skirts now. Now that I know how to take those off, maybe I could get those ones off a little bit better than the last set. And another good reason I wanted to buy this was it had a good dash, and it looks like, I thought when I looked at it before this thing was busted, but yeah, it's busted right there. Those always break, but it has a good dash, so I could use this dash in the white, the other VR4, that white one, because that dash is just destroyed, and you know, then I'll have a good dash in that, and I'll make it a little bit more desirable to buy, so I can get rid of that car as well. Just kind of collecting all these cars. It has like the original 3000 GT floor mats, which is kind of funny. But you know, most of the interior is pretty destroyed. I mean, the seats are crabby too. That tire right there came with it. It's like an extra one, and that came with those winter tires right there. So I don't know. It's probably gonna get the whole you know, YouTube thing. I was thinking about doing some stuff with it. You know, probably selling an engine and a tranny out of it will be more difficult than just scrapping it. So I'll probably end up doing some dumb stuff with it. We'll see what happens. Okay, so I kind of blocked out the JZ coil cover, and I still need to do this part. This is the little stuff to see where all the imperfections are, to sand out. Need to hit that with another coat of probably some sealer now, because it's all blocked out after I finish sanding it. But the fuel door for the VR4 is all nice and perfectly smooth, so that's ready to get painted with the wing ends and the bumper and some other stuff. Actually, I think I still need to block out the bumper, because it has like, well, I need to like get it to where I could paint it so it has some texture to it, or like some sanding scratches so the paint can grab onto it. But it also has the factory orange peel. It is really nice paint, but it still has a little bit of factory orange peel, so I need to sand all that out with some 320, and then it'll be ready for paint as well. But everything else, the new stuff is pretty much ready. But this fuel door is really nice. I can't wait to see that color on this car. So I think that's it for this video. I'm glad that hatch didn't have any damage, and I'm glad that I found that other 3000 GT, because I needed body panels. So I can't wait to see the color on the car. And subscribe if you're not subscribed. Click that bell just so you get notifications. It also helps the channel grow. And comment below. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.